shapes. Pebbles Kannada. Straight line. A straight line is a line whose both ends never meet each other on extending. Curved line. A curved line is a line whose both ends will meet each other on extending. Types of straight lines: 1. Horizontal line, 2. Vertical line, 3. Slanting line. Horizontal line. A line that runs left to right or right to left in a straight line is called a horizontal line. Vertical line. A line that runs from top to bottom or bottom to top in a straight line is called a vertical line. Slanting line. A line that is neither horizontal nor vertical is called a slanting line. Rectangle. It has 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. It has 4 corners. 1, 2, 3, 4. Opposite sides are equal. Square. It has 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. It has 4 corners. 1, 2, 3, 4. All sides are equal. Triangle. It has 3 sides. 1, 2, 3. It has 3 corners. 1, 2, 3. Circle. It has no corner. It has no side. Oval. It has no corner. It has no side. A shape with 3 sides is called triangle. 1, 2, 3. A shape with 4 sides is called rectangle. 1, 2, 3, 4. A shape with 5 sides is called pentagon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A shape with 6 sides is called hexagon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. A shape with 7 sides is called heptagon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. A shape with 8 sides is called octagon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. A shape with 9 sides is called nonagon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 9. A shape with 10 sides is called decagon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 9, 10. Pebbles Kannada.